Welcome to the personal property tour for 29 Braehead Road in Pittenweem. This is a beautiful 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You do have an opportunity to extend as well, necessary planning required of course. You've got off-street parking and you've got a timber garage, but it's in a great location. It's in a quiet cul-de-sac, you're at the end of a quiet road, and then just across here, corner here, you're literally 2 seconds and you're at the Braehead and you can look over. As you can see, you come down the street, you're at a quiet cul-de-sac end. Across there you've got countryside views. It's a great location. And this is the property here. So as you can see, it's a 2-bedroom semi-detached property. You've got driveway, timber garage, so you've got your off-street parking. It's a great size plot. Looking forward to taking you on the tour. It's really finished a high standard, this property, so looking forward to showing you what it looks like inside. So as soon as we come in, you'll see here it's a nice and bright entrance hallway. So it's a great space. You've got nice finish with the doors all the way through, so you've got these oak doors all the way through the property. And I love the timber stairwell. You can see the sun just beating in there. Nice and bright natural light coming from here. And as we go upstairs, you'll see again, lovely additional window, so more natural light coming in. And then immediately we're going to go into the first of the bedrooms. So this is the first of the doubles. So instantly you can see really spacious rooms. Nice size, lots of natural light coming in. Too much actually because it's distorting the camera a little bit, as you can see. You have storage here, big cupboard for storage there as well. So lots of space, currently utilised as a twin, but as you can see, you could easily get a nice king size bed in there. Lovely big window, nice views, as you can see. Literally just round the corner there, you're at the top of the Braes. It's fantastic. So it's a nice sized double room. And then we'll head back out into the landing. And as you can see, the doorways are all the same. Beautiful finish. Come into here, nice double bedroom again. Lots of storage. So you have a double wardrobe here. It's a nice sized bed there too. It's a great sized room. Beautiful views across the garden, as you'll see. How beautiful is that? It's a great size double. And then we'll go back out into the hallway. And from here, we'll go into the shower room, which is straight ahead again. So again, you've got that nice doors to the finish. Beautiful big double walk-in shower. Nice big window as well, so it's lovely and bright. You've got your thermostatic shower, you've got your wash hand basin, your WC. It's a great size space. But throughout the house you can see how the light's distorting the camera a little bit. So bright, it's beautiful. Excuse my feet with the timber stairs, which are wonderful. We'll come back down, and then straight ahead we'll go into the lounge. So it's a lounge diner, as you can see, and immediately you come in. A beautiful big bay window, so that's a great place to be seating. You've got all this built-in furniture as well, which I think is really nice statement pieces. You've got a lovely fire, TV's inbuilt. Love the setup with the candles there as well. Nice bar area, which is fabulous for entertaining. But you've got beautiful views out the window as well. Lovely and peaceful, overlooking the garden. It's a great sized room. You've got your lounge area here. Again, if I just go down to the bottom, you'll get a feel for the depth of the room. Isn't the elbow? It's lovely. I love the colour as well. It's a great sized room. And then off of the lounge, we'll go into the kitchen. So it's a galley style kitchen. Plenty of room for your white goods. So your fridge freezer area here, your washing machine, your dishwasher. You do have some integrated appliances. So you have your hob, your oven and grill, and your extractor. Lovely big window as well. So great if you're standing here. I was having the family, the children in the garden. So it's a great garden space. Really nice sized room. And then the bonus is when you go out to the external vestibule at the back of the house, big cupboard here, lots of storage in there. Real bonus in this side though is you have an additional WC. So you've got your WC and your vanity wash hand basin in there as well. So that's a great additional space. Then I'm going to just take you out into the garden. So immediately we come into the garden, you can see you have the original coal house. So great for storage. You also have the gate here as well. which takes you to the front of the property. Back of the timber garage, you've got a great seating area here. And as you can see, you've got lots of green as well. It's a really nice garden. They've had new fence, plenty of room for your bins, new fence all the way around the garden. So lots of social space. You've got great drying area. The garden's quite a long garden, and at the top here you've got a little decked nook, which is great for entertaining family and friends. Lovely to sit here at the end of the day, just relaxing and enjoying the garden. Isn't that fantastic? And then the garden goes down that way towards the property. So it's just such a great space. It's a beautiful garden. So I think you'll agree, it's a great location. You've got lovely views, you've got the potential to extend the property. It's finished to a great standard inside. 2 good sized bedrooms, great garden space, off-street parking, timber garage. It just keeps giving, this property, doesn't it? It's in a quiet cul-de-sac as well. You're close to everything, so literally just 2-second walk, you're at the top of the Braes. You've got the primary school, you've got all the social events that go on in Pittenweem, you've got the shops, the local amenities, you've got the Fife Coastal Path. You're about a 7-minute drive, you've got the golf courses, you've got the open water tidal pools for your swimming. So much on offer here. It's a great lifestyle location. Beachside almost, in fact. If this one's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01334 654 221. This one is on the market with ourselves. It offers over £200,000, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care. Bye bye.